Quinn, it's in vlog, and today is market day, but we're not going to go after that. We're gonna go to a place called wet market with air condition, where you can buy some fish and seafood stuff. Market over there. Over there. Waterfront Market. Hello guys, we're now here at the Waterfront Market, and it kind of smells in here, and we're gonna enter it and we're gonna buy some stuff there. I don't know what we're gonna buy, but absolutely random. So we're gonna buy some stuff here. Here is the inside Waterfront Market. It gives me cinema vibes. I don't know why. If you come here, you better have a strong mask that has like strong fragrance, because here at the fish market, it's the fish cleaning area. And here it is, the Waterfront Market. Woo! There's so many air conditioners here, and it's bring a mask here because the scent of these fishes are extremely strong. As you can see, it's an entire warehouse. We have to get big fish.
Big fish, lapu-lapu.
Big fish.
Big one lapu-lapu. And small one lapu-lapu.
Yeah, this is lapu-lapu.
Maya. And salmon.
This will have salmon. Yeah.
Scary fish. Deep ball.
Show you the rest of the fishes.
These are tuna.
Yo, it's big fish. We're gonna move on to the next stall. We're currently looking for our mom because our wife is not here. Our mom is not here. I think I see her. We've been looking for you for ages.
How many kilo?
They used to snap by this.
Okay. How many kilo?
And then we have the meat. The meat here. Yes. And we have here fish. We have fish here.
45 per kilo.
Salmon.
25 1 kilo. Okay.
I don't even think it's salmon. The meat section of the Waterfront Market. So we're now gonna exit from the market. Now here at the fruits and vegetables section of the market. As you can see here, we have all sorts of fruits and vegetables. And we're gonna buy talbos ng kamote. Talbos ng kamote. Here we have all kinds of vegetables.
Kamatis, patatas ka lang sito, pataw.
Wala.
Sito kalabasa ba? Diba? Tatawid lang.
Sa kanya rin yan.
Uliwan sa akin. Yung kalabasa.
How much one piece?
5 isa.
Wala, 5 isa daw. Hindi mahal talaga.
Isa
Dahil
lang
sa ano.
Bakit mo niya? Give me kalabasa bro.
Ilan? Kalahati.
Pero ka pala.
My daddy just bought like papaya
Ka ba, my friend?
and chili.
Guys, chili.
Oh, so many! Woo! So many! Oh my gee! And he's gonna probably make it into chili oil sauce because that's probably the most thing he's gonna do. So my dad decided to do something then. He tasted a mango.
You know? Pakistan mango. No, bro, thank you.
So guys, we're now exiting the Waterfront Market, and we actually bought many stuff. And now we're gonna exit, and I'm gonna meet you. Okay, so guys, we're now heading home, and we're going to go back home after a long time. I think we spent like almost like at least 2 hours.
Yeah.
And I have my daddy who ordered like 100 chili.
Yeah, no? Chili time.
And we have my mom who ordered at least 6 macaroni cheese. We have this girl. I don't know.
Tita. We have Tita here.
One tita here, and I don't know if she ordered anything. Here we are in the garage. I mean the parking lot. My bad. And like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more content like this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to do step 1, aka like the video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.